Hi guys, in front of me is TCL Plex, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. First of all, open new message or any other area where you will find access to keypad. Now tap on settings icon, mark languages, tap add keyboard and choose the one that you want to use your device in. Not device, but keypad in. So here it is, tap on done. And now you can stay with 3 languages in my case, or you can remove all unnecessary languages to have one language only. Let me go back, and as you can see, it is already set. Once you have more than one language, let me just add, for example, English. Once you have more than one, you will have this word icon here to switch between languages. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.